Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Do you want to transfer your Depop balance to PayPal? In this quick guide, we'll explain whether it's possible or what alternative you can see. Let's get started. Depop offers two payment methods, PayPal and Depop payments. If you are paid by Depop payments, your balance is stored in Depop and cannot be sent directly to PayPal. To check how you were paid, open the Depop app, then tap on My Depop and go to Settings and then select Depop Balance under Payouts. If your balance is in Depop, you will need to transfer it to your bank first. Go to Depop Balance, select Bank Account, enter your bank details. Once the money reaches your bank, you can manually transfer it to PayPal. To receive future payments directly to PayPal, go to Settings tab, Payments and connect your PayPal account. This way, buyers can pay you through PayPal and you won't need to transfer funds from Depop. So, while you can transfer your Depop balance directly to PayPal, sending it to your bank fast is best workaround. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe and share for more Depop tips. Thanks for watching.